Here is a step-by-step guide on how to download 1xBet mobile application and install it on your phone, whether Android or iPhone. Let's go! Step 1. Open the 1xBet website using your phone's web browser. Step 2. Look for apps located at the bottom of the website and click on your choice of phone, iOS or Android. Step 3. Select the Android or iOS icon to download the 1xBet app. While the app is downloading, give the video a thumbs up. Step 4. If your device is set to block installations from unknown sources, go to Settings, Security, Unknown Sources, and allow installation from unknown sources. Step 5. Open the 1xBet app.
Here you will see two options. Click on Registration. Then you will see the spheres. Click on the one-click option. Choose your country first, and then select your currency. The sports option should also remain the same. Now you have to provide an official promo code, which is the most important step here. If you do not use an official promo code, your account won't be 100% verified. Write RK5 in the promo code field. Do not alter the promo code. Write it exactly as RK5. After entering the promo code, tick the required boxes and click on the button. Here you will see your username and password. Don't forget to take a screenshot of this information, because if you forget these details, you won't be able to log into your account. Click on the next button. Now you have to verify your account. To do this, click on the menu button and then click on the ID number. You will see an interface like that. Link your phone number by clicking here, entering your phone number and clicking the next button. Click on Send Code. Enter the OTP code they provide and click on the Activate option. After adding your mobile number, you have to verify your personal information. Click on Fill in personal data and enter your first name, last name, date of birth, birthplace, region, city, and division in the respective fields. Select the document type. Enter your document number, document ID issuing date, and the name of your card issuing organization. Double-check all the information and click on the tick mark. Your account will now be 100% verified. Now let's look at how to deposit money. To deposit money into your account, click on the deposit option. Choose the payment method, provide your information correctly, and then click on the deposit option. You will see a message saying your deposit request was created successfully. After that, your money will be added to your account.